How to set up horizontal menu on Wix. So in order to do that, head over and click onto this plus icon in order to add an element. From in there, head over to your menu and search right here. And then from in there, you should be able to see in here all of the menus. So what we want is actually a horizontal menu. So this is that horizontal menu right here. So you can proceed to add that to your header. So I have already added it right here. So if you want to actually manage it, just click onto that particular horizontal menu. And then once you have selected it, it will open this. Click onto this manage menu option and then you can add some items as well as remove some items that will be displayed into this part. So in order to add, just click onto this add item. You can add main pages, dynamic and app page, link, submenu title, as well as mega menu. If you want to delete, just click onto these three dots, and then in here you can see this remove from menu option. You can also rearrange them by just clicking or holding this dots right here and then just repositioning them where you want them. So that's how you set up horizontal menu in Wix. Hope you helped.